So hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 76, that is minimum window substring, and in this we'll be given two strings s and t of length m and n, and we have to return the minimum window substring such that every character in t including duplicates is included in the window, and if there is no substring we have to return empty string. Okay, so for example in the first test case we are given this Adobe code bank something, and now we have to accommodate t that is equal to abc without, and the relative order does not matter, that b might occur in the substring before a or something like that. Okay, so the two possible solutions which I can tell you, there would be any, but one possible solution which you could see is this, that is Adobe C, and this contains all the substrings, all the occurrences of T in itself in this substring, but this is not of the smallest length. The smallest length substring is B and C, and it is covering all the letters that are present in T. Okay, so we have to return B and C in this. Okay, so now let's start with some base cases, that is if s dot length is greater than t dot length. Okay, so this is just a simple base case that there is no way we can accommodate this, or if the length of s is equal to 0. Okay, so that means the string s is empty, we have to return an empty substring. Okay, so now what we'll be doing, we'll be creating a map with in which we'll be storing all the occurrences of t and along with its frequency. So let's have a map of character comma integer, and let's call it letters, that will be equal to new hash map. And now let's traverse in t, that is for char ch in t dot to character array, and in this we'll be doing letters dot put letter ch comma letters dot get or default ch comma 0 plus 1. Okay, so now we have updated our character map, and then what we'll be doing, we'll be in having some variables, that is one will be the length of the string, because we'll be using it again and again, so it's no fun write s dot length again and again. And let's have a variable size that will be equal to the size of the map, that is letters dot size, our window, that is left equal to 0 and right equal to 0, and the start of our new window, because there might be a case where we can find a better answer, so we don't have to consider the last window again, so we'll be starting from the new window. So we'll be starting from a new window, and also our maximum length, that is which we have encountered right now, till now. Okay, so now let's have a for loop, that for okay, let me just do this thing, that yeah, it's way better now. Yeah, we have already initialized the right, so while right is less than n, and we'll be doing right plus plus, we'll be fetching the character at left, that char right char, that will be equal to s dot char at right. We'll be checking that if this is present in my map, that is letters, that if letters dot contains key, that is right char, what I'll be doing, so here I'll be checking that I'll be decreasing its frequency, because now this character is present in my substring. Okay, so then I'll be doing map, sorry, not map, letters dot put right char, sorry, right char comma letters, sorry, we can do directly letters dot get right char, and we'll be decreasing its frequency. Okay, and then we'll be checking that if the this thing becomes 0, if letters dot get, I'll be just copying it, if letters dot is equal to 0, what I'll be doing, I'll be decreasing the size, because that means that the this current characters occurrences have been over in my map. Okay, so Then I'll be checking that if my size of the map becomes 0, that means I've accommodated all the occurrences of the letters that were present in string and t along with their frequencies. So now my size becomes 0, that means all of my characters are present in the substring. Okay, then what I'll be doing, I'll be starting deleting start to delete the characters from the left side. That is that while left is less than n and my size remains 0. Okay, so this is a very important thing, because if my size increases, that means some character is not present in the string. Okay, so what I'll be doing, I'll be fetching the left char, that will be equal to s dot char at left. Okay, and now what I'll be doing, I'll be checking that if my map dot letters dot contains key left char. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I'll be increasing its frequency by 1. What I'll be doing, letters dot put left char comma letters dot get left char okay, sorry, get left char plus 1. Okay, and here I'll be checking that if this thing becomes greater than 0, that is we have increased, that is there are some letters that are not present in this in my substring, so we'll be increasing the size. Okay, and otherwise what we'll be doing, we'll be keep on increasing the left oh sorry, here outside the loop, left plus plus. Okay, and then what we'll be doing, and here we'll be saying that if my maximum length is greater than my current window size of the current window, right minus left plus 1, I'll be setting my maximum, or okay, so this case also, or my maximum length is 0, that is I haven't updated my maximum length for even once. What I'll be doing, I'll be setting my maximum length will be equal to right minus left plus 1, oh sorry, plus 2, yeah, plus 2, and I'll be setting my start will be equal to left minus 1, because from there I have to start with a new substring. Okay, and then what I have to do, I have to return if my maximum length is equal to the maximum value of integer, that is integer dot max underscore value. So I have to return empty substring. Otherwise what I have to do, I have to return the substring of substring start comma start plus maximum length. Okay, so we did plus 2 because we know we have to accommodate the last character 2, and let's just minimize this. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.